Imagine if you could watch a burglar break into a house, see exactly how they got in, what they looked for, what tools they used, all without risking anything real. That's essentially what a honeypot does. A honeypot is a decoy system designed to look like a real target. It might mimic a server, a database, a web application, or even an entire network segment, but it's not real. It exists purely to attract malicious actors, record everything they do, and then turn that activity into intelligence your security team can actually use. Here's how it works. First, you set up the honeypot in an isolated section of your network. It can't be used as a stepping stone to reach your real systems. Then you make it look exploitable. Weak passwords, open ports, files named things like passwords.txt, or even fake API keys. Breadcrumbs that make an attacker think they found an easy way in. Once someone takes the bait, the honeypot records everything. Every keystroke, every command, every file they try to access. You can see whether they're hunting for financial data, trying to install malware, or just scanning for credentials. And because no legitimate user has any reason to interact with a honeypot, every alert it generates is a real signal. No false positives, no noise. That intelligence then feeds directly into your defenses. You block the attacker's infrastructure, patch the vulnerabilities they tried to exploit, update your detection rules based on what you saw. And that's the real value of honeypots. They don't just detect threats, they show you how attackers think, what tools they use, and how they move. And that intelligence makes everything else in your security stack sharper.